Back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stretch left transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here I add three videos. This 1, 2, and 3. In here I wanna add a transition effect on this video. So if you wanna add a transition effect, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it, and then in here you can click on the effect, this one, and in here I wanna add stretch left effect. So you just swipe until you can see a stretch left, this one, you just click on it, and then in here you can set the duration for the transition. So you just swipe left or right like this, and after this, if you wanna apply this transition effect to all video, so you just click on apply to all in here, click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add stretch left transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.